Right, I'm just going to show you a couple of examples of dividing algebraic fractions, and similar to multiplying algebraic fractions, you follow exactly the same rules as you would for dividing numerical fractions. So I'm going to write down, we're going to just evaluate, I guess could be the command word. Evaluate, simplify. Basically we just need to work it out and present an answer. So the first one is going to be 6 over x divided by 2 over x squared. Okay, so when you have something like that, when you are dividing by a fraction, you multiply by its reciprocal. Another way you might remember this is same, change, flip. Keep the first one the same, change the divide sign to a times, and flip the thing you're dividing by. So same, change, flip, or just think of it as multiply by the reciprocal of the fraction that you're dividing by. So I'm going to rewrite this as 6 over x times the reciprocal of 2 over x squared, so you just flip it upside down, x squared over 2. So now when you've got it like that, you can look at the fraction multiplication and you can cancel any top number or term with any bottom number or term, provided they have common factors higher than 1. So the 6 and the 2, well, 2 will go into those. So 6 over 2 is 3, and 2 over 2 is 1. The x squared and the x, well, x will go into those. So x squared over x is x, and x over x is 1. So now you have 3 times x, which is 3x, over 1 times 1, which is 1. So that is just 3x. Please do not leave an answer of 3x over 1. Okay, a second one, 8 over p divided by 2. 8 over p divided by 2. Now, this is not necessarily the only way to do this. If I was looking at this, I would just say, well, it's 8 over 2p. I would just put the 2 straight in that denominator, and then I would look at the 8 and the 2, see what I can do with those. But I will teach it in the same manner as we've been doing. I think if you learn the formal method, you'll see the shortcuts anyway, so I don't think it'll really matter. So I'm going to rewrite this as 8 over p divided by 2 over 1. So 2 is simply 2 over 1. Now, if I'm dividing by a fraction, I can multiply by its reciprocal. So that is 8 over p times 1 over 2. And now you can look at that and you can cancel any top number or term with any bottom number or term, provided they have common factors higher than 1. 8 and 2 can be changed into 4 and 1. The 1 and the p, you can't do anything with that. So this is 4 times 1, which is 4, over p times 1, which is p. 4 over p is your final answer. And as I was saying, if you've got 8 over p dividing by 2, you could just put the 2 straight in there. So that would be 8 over 2p, which is the same as 4 over p.